Welcome on Easy Car Repair channel. Today I'm going to show video how I fix fender of this car just in half hour. I'm not going to use too much tools. We just need a car jack. We need car stand to be sure that car not fall down from the jack. We need panel beating hammer, we need panel beating dolly, and I'm going to use sliding hammer, which is really not helped me in nothing. I just tried to use it, but it's not helped me. I don't think this video needs too much comments from my side, because all the process you can see it clearly on the video, but still I going to speak when I see the most important details. So this job was done just in half hour, and I'm sure if you see this video till the end you can do it yourself or similar jobs. Thanks for watching. Here I remove whatever we have a plastic under the fender, so at least I will work more relaxed. My hands will pass inside. I bring that sliding hammer, but it's really not helped me too much. I try it to pull it with it, but it's not going. I'm going to leave the bumper in place. Why I leave the bumper? So I'm going to measure, because the bumper have no damage and it's still in place. So I will fix the fender on the bumper. I will make them close to each other, so that's why I leave the bumper. And now I decided to try something with hammer, and I started hammer it from here to there, somehow to remove that dent, but nothing helped me in that case. Just that piece of iron which I put under, and I hit it with hammer, and I trying to make up that line of the fender. So first I started with that line to make it straight up again. You see how it's easy went after 2-3 times. And now I'm going to use panel beating dolly. Panel beating dolly, this is just piece of iron. We put it under the panel, so the panel will be between the dolly and hammer. When we hammer it, the panel going to be straight. Here I try to straightening that up line, because after I pull out the dent, there still was bended, and I follow all edge of the dent with the hammer and dolly. I try it how much I can do them more straight. Sorry guys for my English. I really need to explain what I done in this video, but with my knowledge of English sometimes it's difficult. I put that dolly in the corner from inside and I start hammering it with the panel beating hammer from outside, and slowly the panel started to come straight. Always I try to feel the panel with my hand. I pass it with my hand so I will feel if there is a dent or there is a heel to need to go down, or there is a dent need to be pulled out. You see this line, I arrange it, I fix it down line, and now I try to measure it with the bumper. It's come a bit close, but still not exactly. I try to pull medguard a bit down with my hands, and the iron of this car, it's really not that strong, so you can even pull it with your hands. And I try to see how they fit together. I try to pull it down, push it down, and now I close the bonnet to see the gap between the fender and the bonnet, and I find it too much close. The fender coming under the bonnet, so I open the bonnet and I try to pull the fender a bit outside. I try it many times until the gap came exactly like in the other side. I bring piece of wood like this, I put it on the fender mounting down, I hit it few times and we find the gap a bit more better. And here, this is the last touch up for arrange this gap. I think it's finally will be good, because the video I recorded before and now I make the voice, because I wasn't have time to to do full video. We see other side, they are close, they are nearly same. So I was agree with this result. But still we have the gap between the wing and the door. It's too much open it. I try to bring bumper to the fender and try to bring them together to looks nice. This gap from up, okay, but between the door and the wing, the gap was too much big. So I decided to lose all bolts from the fender and try to move it a bit forward to the door side. So I'm going to lose all bolts. It's have one bolt down, one in the middle, one from up, and two under the bonnet, and one after the bumper. So plus minus there is just five bolts. With spanner 10 I lose all of them. And after I lose all bolts, you see the fender moving to the door. So I try to make same gap, same like in other doors or other side, because the car usually has same gaps between each panel. So when I like the result, I tied all bolts back. Next videos I going to apply polyester putty, hard metal. I going to make primer. I going to spray that fender and that bumper, and I going to polish it. So if you like, subscribe the channel, put like or dislike, and in next videos you can see the full process until the car will be ready. I'm going to polish the headlamps I'm going to polish the wing, I'm going to polish the bumper, I'm going to spray them, I'm going to do them good job. And yellow color is a difficult color to spray. So from next videos you will know which base supposed to use under the yellow color, so the paint come will come same way. And after I put this bumper holder, and I put every parts back, and it will be even ready for drive. If you don't have too much time to do every job straight, you can do panel beating one day, next day you make putty, after you spray it with primer, and after you will polish it. Thanks for watching.